Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one simple legitimate method by which you can make money just by following few steps. I'm not going to talk about selling products on eBay, or I'm not going to talk about drop shipping, or I'm not going to talk about things which you have to spend a lot of money and make money out of it online, like filling the surveys or maybe just going on some website and doing testing for somebody. Nothing like that. It's a very simple trick which I have learned few weeks back with one of my contacts online. So it's very simple. Whether you are looking for to make some fast cash, or you're after long term more sustainable income producing results, there are certainly ways you can make money online today. The truth is that making money online isn't as difficult as it seems like. You'll find it to make a buck both online and offline in various methods. But no matter what method you select for generating your online income, there's one very important thing to understand here. Across this globe, with 7 plus billion inhabitants of internet, there are two recurring things that people are looking for more. Either people want more time, or they want more money. And the truth is, time is far more valuable than money. And you can't recreate time. Once it's spent, it's gone forever. But not money. Money can be earned and spent and invested and wasted, not time. And that's why time is the far more valuable thing than money. The point here is, when you lack the luxury of time, making money online or offline can seem like an impossible task. How you supposed to do that when you are working at a life sucking 9 to 5 job? While the stability of full time employment might always most to sleep well at night, it doesn't empower your creative juices to search for new income producing strategies. So, guys, let's have that in your mind that you need to be consistent to make money online. Okay, so now let's have a look how you can make money online with a simple trick which I have found online. So, not wasting much of your time, I would like to share this trick. I met one of the guy in one of my networking meeting a few weeks back, and he introduced me with this website. It's called Sell Digital Products Online. What you have to do is, you just have to go on this website, scroll down in the bottom, and click on this affiliate link. Now, don't go away. This is not this other kind of affiliate website you have, you're looking for. This is very simple. What people do is, creators actually create their products online on this website, and they choose how much money they would like to share with you. And you can see, as it says, 35%. Now what you have to do is, you just register as an affiliate. And let me tell you one thing, it's very difficult to get approved as an affiliate on this website. They are very strict with their affiliate program. So once you get approved, you can go into your dashboard, click on affiliate link, and see which products you want to sell. And you can actually see which creator is offering how much percentage of that sale. Now it's very simple. You connect your PayPal or any other payment gateway on this website. The moment the person pays who is buying the product from this seller, you get your cut straight away into your account. The seller get his money, and the PayPal or whatever payment gateway gets their uh, commission of the payment. And that's it. You will find amazing product on this website to link with. They are all digital, so there's no problem with delivery, drop shipping, inventory, or anything like that. It's straightforward. You just have to register as an affiliate, choose the product which you want to promote, and then just share the link across all of your social media or wherever you want to share. And guys, what, I have just picked one product and I shared the link into my Facebook post, and then I made, like, every single day I get £2 into my accounts every single day, and I just shared one link. So it's very easy. But if you're consistent and you keep sharing different products with your friends, family, or your broader network. I am 100% sure you don't have to do any uh, investment or any work. You just have to share the link, but just be consistent on that. Okay, if you have any questions, just put down in comments and I'll answer you. Thank you.